Find the two values of q that satisfied the factorial equation. Let q factorial equals y. It means that y squared minus 25 times y equals negative 24. Rearrange terms in one side of the equation and equate them to 0. It signifies that y squared minus 25 times y plus 24 equals 0. Then, factorize. Thus, y squared minus 24 times y minus y plus 24 equals to 0. Hence, the product of y minus 24 and y minus 1 equals to 0. It implies that either y minus 24 equals 0 or y minus 1 equals 0. Thus, y equals 24 or y equals 1. But y equals q factorial. It implies that the 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24, which equals to 4 factorial. Thus, q factorial equals 4 factorial. Hence, q equals 4. Also, 0 factorial equals 1. Thus, q factorial equals 0 factorial. Hence, q equals 0. Therefore, the correct option is B.